Unit 3. Non-metal and alloy. Types of non-metal. Non-metal is the material which much used in industry. It may be from synthesis or natural. Here we consider in the following. 1. Synthetic material. We consider only painting material in this lesson. 2. Natural material. We consider only leather and paper in this lesson. Synthetic material. Painting material is one of very important materials. Painting is used for corrosive prevention from natural climates such as rust. Things surround us: building, houses, vehicles, appliances, mechanical equipment, all need surface coating by painting. We should select the paint for using effectively. 1. Oil paint mainly consists of pigments and binders which are drying oil. It can be diluted by turpentine, linseed oil or thinner. 2. Powder coating. Automotive paint is for automotive manufacturing. It uses varnish as binder. Good resistance in sunlight. After painted, it needs to bake at determined temperature. Then it also called slow drying paint. 3. Lacquer paint is made from light fasted pigments combined with nitrocellulose lacquer, synthetic resin, as binder. It uses thinner as solvent. Generally used for painted on metal work. 4. Plastic paint is the paint which uses polyvinyl acetate copolymer as resin or binder. It is water-soluble, glue-alike. It also uses water as solvent. Good for concrete work. Components of paint. 1. Pigments are granular solids incorporated in the paint to contribute color on surface of the work pieces. This can coat the entire applied surface and protect them from opening to corrosive condition. Pigments also improve heat resistance, corrosion resistance, and shiny. 2. Binder. Also known as a vehicle or resin, is the film-forming component of the paint. It keeps each pigment fixed together. The most commonly well-known in market is acrylic polyurethane. 3. Solvent or diluent is a liquid that is mixed into the paint to dissolve the color and adjust the viscosity of the paint when applied on surface. After painted or sprayed, the solvent will evaporated. The remaining pigment and binder is fixed on the surface of workpiece. 4. Additives are substances which usually added in small amounts in order to gain some special properties, such as fast curing, smooth appearance without leveling, bacterial growth prevention, and control skin cracking. Type of alloy. Heavy metal alloy. Heavy metal alloy is fusion of two or more of heavy non-ferrous metals with the standard ingredients. This creates new metal which has new different properties from base non-ferrous metal. Those are: 1. Copper alloy. 2. Zinc alloy. 3. Tin alloy. 4. Lead alloy. 5. Nickel alloy. Light metal alloy. Light metal alloy is fusion of two or more of light non-ferrous metals with the standard ingredients. This creates new metal which has new different properties from base non-ferrous metal. Those are: 1. Aluminum alloy. 2. Magnesium alloy. Properties and application of alloy. Properties and application of heavy metal alloy, which is very common used in the industry, can be considered as following. Copper alloy can consider as the following. Brass is alloying of copper with zinc. Generally it consists of 40% zinc. Color of brass is very depend on quantity of zinc. Fewer of zinc, color will be pink-red. Increasing of zinc make color become more yellow. Brass can be rolled in sheet or rod. Mostly used for corrosion resistance parts such as switch, nut, screw. Part of mechanical tool. Armature. Tin bronze is alloying of copper with tin. Generally it consists 10% by weight of tin, also known as commercial tin. Over more tin can cause brittle. Tin bronze has higher corrosion resistance than brass. Bearing material is made of tin bronze, which added antimony. Applications of them are bearing, casing of shaft for motor, mechanical equipment. Aluminum bronze is alloying of copper, with aluminum alloy approximately 10% by weight, which has high strength and resistance to corrosion. Applications of them are valve for a liquid container, screw, nut, part of aircraft, centrifugal pump, ornamental product and jewelry. Zinc alloy. Zinc alloy for extruded. It contains of approximately 4 to 12% aluminum and has good properties for rolling because of low strength. It can be used instead of brass. Zinc alloy for die casting. It consists of 3% aluminum, 4% copper, magnesium 0.1% and zinc. It is better appearance surface and has more strength than the material for extruded. Applications of them are die casting of carburetor casing, fuel pump, knob and key. Tin alloy. The properties of tin alloy are low melting point, metal and good flowability. Benefits of tin alloy. Used for soldering material, the device in water flow meter and watt-hour meter. Lead alloy. One of important lead alloy is strengthening. Lead alloy, which contains of antimony in range from 0.5 to 25%. It has properties of lubricity, strength and hardness for load resistance. Benefits of lead alloy metals are using as material for bearing and casting of letter punch. Nickel alloy. Nickel copper alloy, which consists of nickel 70% and copper 30%, are called monometal. It has good properties of corrosion resistance and heat resistance. Benefits of nickel copper alloy are used for electrical device, resistance wire, piston ring for engine and steel ruler.